Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 7.6. Let's tackle the first subdivision, integral of x divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So by partial fraction methods, this will be a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 2 plus c divided by x minus 3. So if you compare a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2, the whole thing will be the product of these factors will be equal to x divided by this. Since the denominator matches, I'm only comparing the numerator. Now let's put different values of x. If you put x is equal to 2, this term will become 0. So a vanishes and c vanishes. So this is b into 2 minus 1 is 1 into 2 minus 3 is minus 1, which is equal to 2. So minus b is equal to 2, which means b is equal to minus 2. So let's mark this out. Now let's put x is equal to 1. So when you put x is equal to 1, b and c will vanish. So a into 1 minus 2 is minus 1 into 1 minus 3 is minus 2 is equal to 1. So 2a is equal to 1, which means a is equal to half. So let's mark this. Now put x is equal to 3. So when you put x is equal to 3, a and b will vanish. C will become c into 3 minus 1 is 2 into 3 minus 2 is 1, which is equal to 3. So now 2c is equal to 3. So c is equal to 3 by 2. Now let's move all these values for integration. So this becomes integral of, remember what is our a is half. So half divided by x minus 1. I'm splitting the integration directly. So into dx plus integral of b's value is minus 2 for us. So minus 2 divided by x minus 2 dx plus c's value is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 divided by x minus 3 dx. Now I can take the constants outside. So half into integral of dx divided by x minus 1 minus 2 into integral dx divided by x minus 2 plus 3 by 2 into integral dx divided by x minus 3. Each of these are linear, so I'll be able to directly use the terms log. So this will become half into log of x minus 1 minus 2 into log of x minus 2 plus 3 by 2 into log of x minus 3, and forget not the plus c. Let's take the second subdivision. So here I'm going to break the partial fractions as a by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 2 plus c divided by x minus 3, like what we did in the same case, but this time it is equal to 3x minus 1. So if you cross multiply, it will become a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2, but this time it is equal to 3x minus 1 because the numerator in this case is 3x minus 1. Let's start to put the values. So x is equal to 1. If you put the b term and the c term will vanish. So a into, this will become minus 1 into minus 2, which is equal to 3 into 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2a is equal to 2, which means a is equal to 1. Now let's move on to x is equal to 2. So if you put x is equal to 2, so we are going to get this term will vanish, the a term and the c term will vanish. So b into 2 minus 1 is 1 into 2 minus 3 is minus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 is 6 minus 1 is 5. So minus b is equal to 5, which means b is equal to minus 5. So let's mark it out. Then let's put x is equal to 3. So this time a and b will vanish. So c into 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, which is equal to 3 into 3, 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. So 2c is equal to 8, which means c is equal to 4. So now that we have these values, let's substitute here. So this becomes integral of a is 1. So 1 divided by x minus 1 dx, b is minus 5. So minus 5 I'm taking directly outside. So this is the integral of dx divided by x minus 2. c is plus 4, so plus 4 into integral dx divided by x minus 3. Now if you integrate, values will be direct, so this is going to be log of x minus 1 minus 5 into log of x minus 2 plus 4 into log of x minus 3 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.